Hey guys, I'm Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 14 children. 12 of my children still live here at home with me and my husband, and we have a baby on the way in October. So today is going to be our grocery haul. This week, is my last grocery haul for, it actually would be the month of May, I guess. The way my finances were and the way checks and that type of stuff came in, it'd be included in that budget. So, what is today? Yes, today's the 6th. So, it's actually like part of my May budget because, yeah, just the way things go. This is part of my May budget. Next week, I'll be doing a grocery haul and I will start a new budget. I usually do that based around like where I'm doing my grocery stores and that type of stuff. And it seems to work out usually for me around maybe the 2nd or 3rd week of the month for me to like kind of regroup. So sorry that it's not like the 1st of the month, but it's the way that it works best for us. Anyway, I know in my budget what it is. So this is actually for the month of May. This is the last haul. I had $150 left in the $1,200 budget for my family of 14. And I will show you what I got. So we are going to be going camping. So I have 2 recipes that I want to do for camping. So I have all of this broccoli to make a massive broccoli salad, which I'm super excited about. Remember, I try to do as much as I can that is low carb and gluten-free if at all possible. I have some people that are gluten-free and sweet pea is low carb. So for us, trying to avoid like pastas and that type of stuff is better for our household. So I'm doing a broccoli salad here, which I hope to share with you guys, and then a cauliflower salad here, and I hope to share those 2 salads with you guys. I just got some romaine hearts, so that is for the next couple days before we go. And then I got these salads that were on markdown because honestly, I wanted something quick and simple to go with dinners for the next couple days, and I couldn't think. And so I just got those salads. I got some avocados. I'm going to throw those in the fridge for when we are gone and then take 1 bag out at a time when we come back. I got some red onions. That's for the salads with the broccoli and cauliflower. And then for snacking, I got plums and cherries, which my daughter was super excited about because normally I buy bananas and apples and sometimes like tangerines or whatever, but these were on sale for $2.98 a pound, which is good for cherries. So I ended up getting those. And then I got some plums. The 2-pound bag was like $5, so it was like $2.50 a pound. Not the best price in the world, but it's something different. And we got those, and I had it in the budget. I got 2 of these big French dips. We're going to take those camping. I got chips last week, if you didn't see that. And these will go with the chips that I got for there. And then we have the sour cream. That's going to go with my broccoli and my cauliflower salads. Got a thing of tomatoes. And then I got 2 breads. We usually don't buy prepackaged breads, but I got some because I bought last week some hamburger and hot dog rolls, and so I bought this for gluten-free people, and then I bought this for sweet pea. I have not tried this. It says 1 gram net carb. I don't know. If you have tried this, let me know how it is. I know the other keto breads she does not do well with, so I don't know how that's going to turn out, but I bought it to try it. I know, probably not a good idea to try on vacation. Maybe I'll try it beforehand. And then I got 4 packages of these sweet peas. These are to go with the, it's a pea salad. And then bacon for these recipes over here. And then I have 2 of these sugar-free barbecue sauces. That's for the chicken. And then I got some mayonnaise. I think I need 2 mayonnaise for the salads. And then I got that big old watermelon. And I will be shocked if that watermelon actually makes it to camping time. Anyway, other things that I got that are not, this is food budget. I just do my food budget. My household budget is separate. I got 2 lights. One is for the bathroom redo. Yes, okay. I know because that just went over and it showed this. So now I need to explain what else is on my table. So the kids were just eating. This is leftover kids food. And I just walked in the door. So I need my coffee before I function to do the rest of it. And that beer is for our lovely slugs. I had my husband pick it up yesterday. I got 2 beds done and I still have about 6 beds left to do. So hopefully the 4 bottles that are left will do the rest of my 6 beds. I've been using solo cups and like cutting them. That's in a different video. That is a gardening video and you'll see that. Anyway, I got 2 of these lights, and then I got these. I'm making a bin. I made a bin for the van and then realized that I didn't have too many bandages. I don't usually use bandages if I'm home, but if we are out, they can be handy. So I got this. My son was making a survival pack and he got a thing like this, and then he's like, you should get one of these. And these 2 commando hooks are for the bathroom project that we are working on. So that is all we have here. Let me tell you my plans for camping meals. So the other day I took and I wrote down some keto type salads here that do not have pasta in them. So after I wrote those down, I picked a couple of those. I'm doing a pea salad, I'm doing a cauliflower salad, and I am doing a broccoli salad. So basically, I'm going to do the cauliflower salad for the day that we are traveling. I think I'm going to do sausage balls, keto sausage balls for breakfast, and probably like a fruit. And we'll do those for breakfast. And then we will have the salad for lunch. And then for supper that night, let's see, I have on my list hamburgers and sausage. I'll do hamburgers and sausage and probably the broccoli or the pea salad, whatever one everyone feels like. And then the following day, we will be doing peanut butter and rice cakes for lunch. And then like probably various stuff to go with it. And then for supper, we will have, I'll probably do, I'm trying to think what I will do. Oh, the chips. Was I doing chips for that? I don't know. Anyway, I'm bringing chips and dip. Anyway, and then I'll do drumsticks. That's what the barbecue sauce is for. Drumsticks. I will take those probably out tonight and defrost them, and then I'll mix them with barbecue sauce, and then I'll refreeze them so they'll be frozen, and I'll have them frozen into the thing, and then we'll have those Monday night into the cooler, and we'll have those on Monday night. Our camping is based around like a doctor's appointment, so pretty much we're going to be like at the campground, but it's a really cool campground. It's actually on Sebago Lake. I think that's how you say it. And I guess it's a really good place to camp. So we're going to camp there. Last time we went to this doctor's, we went to Bradbury Mountain, and that was really nice. That's actually a hikeable mountain for families, or I say it's a hikeable mountain for families. My younger kids got up it, no problem. So yeah, we're going to do basically a meat and a not so noodle salad. And then probably watermelon. If we eat this watermelon ahead of time, then I might just grab a watermelon like on our way down. I'm sure we'll have to go to the bathroom somewhere, and I'll grab like a watermelon down there. And then that one lunch, or the 2 lunches, is just going to be rice cakes and peanut butter, and then something to go with it. Probably whatever fruit we have. I don't want to buy like too many things. It'll probably be like whatever fruit we have left. We do have some apples left as well right now. I may also see what's in the refrigerator. I don't know. I think I have some carrot sticks, that type of stuff. I'll just throw it all together because I don't want to waste anything that's in my home right now. And we'll just bring it all with us and call it a day. And then of course snacks. So I did the video with the granola bars and the granola. And then we'll do some other like dessert type thing. I think maybe we'll do like maybe peanut butter cookies, because I have a keto peanut butter cookie that works out okay. I might end up having somebody make some peanut butter cookies, if that sounds good with everyone. But sometimes I just let the older kids just decide what they would like to make too out of the recipes that we have. That's okay. All right, so that is it for our grocery haul, and we will be back next week with a huge grocery haul, I think. I'm going to do my big grocery haul next week. and my whole new plan for my grocery budget. My grocery budget is going to be staying the same. It's going to be the $1,200. It is staying the same, but I wrote a whole new menu. I'm going to go over my menu and how we plan to do that. And yeah, so I hope you all have a blessed day. So what are some of your favorite camping foods? Especially if they're like keto or low carb or something like that. What are your favorite things to bring camping with you? Leave them down in the comments below because I'd love to hear them. Thanks. Bye.